Here I've got Lenovo S5 and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first, let's select the language that you would like to have your device in. As you can see here, you've got plenty of possibilities, but I will stay with English. So let's click on Let's Go. And now you can insert your SIM card if you want to, but I will skip it for now. It can be done later. And here you can copy your data from previous phone, or you can set it up as a new one. So let me click on Set up as a new one, because I would like to have it as a brand new with no data included. Now connect your device to Wi-Fi. This is mine. Wait a couple of seconds. And now you can log in with your Google account if you have one, and if you don't have it, you can either skip this step or create a new account. But I will log in with my. And then click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, you can click on Next. And here it's time to come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all the above conditions, smoothly click on I agree. And now you can add fingerprint if you want to, but I will skip it for now. And also you can come along with all Google services. You can switch them off if you want to, but I will leave all of them. Let me click on I agree. And now you can also come along with your Google Assistant. And if you want, you can activate Assistant permission to help you, but I will switch it off right now. And also now you can add some other email account if you want to, but I don't want to do it, so all is set. And also you can activate location consents if you want to. And this is it. You've just set up your device and now you can use it in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.